Hi everyone, my name is Raven. Welcome to my channel DIYRaven.com. Well, I guess that's my website.com, but welcome to my channel. Um, Today I'm going to be just doing a quick video. It's going to be like kind of taking it back to 2000 with this webcam style for the Resewlutions tag. So it's pretty late because we're in April now, but it's totally cool. These questions will be basically pertaining to 2018. And I was tagged by the lovely main course. If you haven't visited her channel, which I don't know how you found my channel and you haven't found hers. She's absolutely adorable. She makes so many items. She definitely sews more than I do, but all of her items are always so flattering. And I love the way she models them. Her content is extremely consistent. And she always ends the video on a love share. So she kind of imparts a sweet and cute little tidbit, just a little extra something, a bit of information that you probably wouldn't have known. So she always leaves her videos on a very interesting note. Anyway, it's 5 questions in the tag, so I'll just go ahead and start. So question 1 is, what is your favorite make of 2018 and why? If I'm being really honest, I didn't have a lot of makes in 2018, and the makes I did have, a lot of them were fails or things I weren't really happy with, and or some were just things I didn't quite finish. So if I had to pick one, I guess it would be my Lander shorts, which honestly I still haven't finished, but I guess they would be my favorite make of 2018. So it's not the best answer, but it's the most honest answer. What did you attempt in 2018 that you won't do this year? Actually, my answer isn't too different from main course. She mentioned that she tried underwear and that she probably won't be doing much, bringing a lot of that into this year. And same for me. I tried Madeline Intimates, or her lingerie brand, which she's a seamstress, I think, out of Philadelphia that I admire a lot. She has these sewing kits that I had bought a year prior, and finally busted out and did, like, I guess in around October, November. But it really didn't turn out so hot, and I don't know. I wasn't as like sold on the idea of like doing underwear as much as I thought I would be. And I feel like I hear a lot that people are not really interested in making like bra and underwear items. But I don't know. I mean, maybe I'll try it again, but I'm in no rush to. So that is something that I probably won't do this year. Question 3, what will you continue to make? I'll definitely continue to make like tops and dresses. And I'm very excited to make both of those things. Question number 4 is, what will you try this year that you haven't tried before? I don't know if this is fueled because I am just so ready. I feel like the winter was just very long. It's still actually kind of cold outside. We're still like here in DC, we're still like in the 30s and 40s, and I'm just like seriously over it. So I can't wait for like spring and summer. Spring to officially start, and then summer. So I just want to make a swimsuit this year. I would like to make my first swimsuit. And the last question is, where do you see your wardrobe at the end of this year, and where do you see it in 5 years' time? So at the end of this year, I hope I make at least a few pants patterns. I'm usually slow on pants patterns, hence I guess why I still haven't finished the Lander shorts. And I don't know if I think it's just because of the whole fly situation, but I know that's kind of ridiculous. And just basically what I was saying, like more tops, more dresses, but more of the like fun prints and vibrant colors. So by the end of this year, coming into fall, I still want to wear like bold things. I don't mind looking like summer while everybody else looks like fall at the end of the year. In 5 years' time, I would hope to actually get over my fear of making jeans. Unfortunately, I'm still in that camp. I feel like a lot of people have gotten over that hump where ever since Closet Case Files or Closet Case Patterns, she had her the ginger jeans and the jeans making workshops, and she's like, you can do it and everybody can do it, and a lot of people have really gotten over that hump. I'm still pretty scared about making jeans, but in 5 years' time, I would hope I will have gotten over those things and make not maybe lots of jeans. I don't need a lot, but I definitely want to, be able to whip up some jeans with no fear. Also, too, I would hope to have. I always had this idea that I would have like a lot of blazers, because I feel like because most people don't make their clothes, that's one piece that most people kind of like buy and invest in. So they usually have like a few of them, and they usually get like neutrals, So because people usually don't have a lot of them, they should be something that can kind of go with everything. But I want like, here I am again with like my colorful bright prints, and I want like many people have like lots of tops. I want lots of blazers so I could just have like all these like combinations of outfits with just like a plain t-shirt, some jeans, and like the blazer of my choice. So anyway, that's I guess that's all the questions for this tag. I have not thought of anybody to tag. I did not think this through really. But anybody that would love to answer these questions, I would definitely love to hear your answers. So thank you so much for watching, and as per usual, I know it always seems like this is my last video, but it's not. I will be coming back. And yeah, you guys, I don't know. Happy sewing, I guess. And I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye.